Hello everyone, and welcome to this helpful guide. If you've been thinking about stepping away from TikTok, today's video will walk you through the exact steps to deactivate your TikTok account using an Android mobile device. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any important details. First, open the TikTok app on your Android mobile. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Then choose Settings and Privacy from the menu that appears. Scroll down the page until you find the Account section and tap on it. Next, choose Deactivate or Delete Account. Now tap on Deactivate Account. Confirm again by tapping on Deactivate. TikTok will send you a 4-digit code. Enter the code you received via SMS or email. Tap Deactivate Account. Finally, confirm your decision by tapping Deactivate one last time. That's it. Your TikTok account is now deactivated. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to explore our other tech guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.